Dehumidifiers are essential for many households as they help to reduce the amount of moisture in the air. The most popular dehumidifier on the market is Energy Star, rated for its efficiency. This dehumidifier boasts a range of features designed to make it easier to use and maintain. It has an adjustable humidity level setting and a built-in drainage system for effortless emptying of the collection tank. It also features an auto restart system, allowing it to resume operating after a power failure. This dehumidifier helps to reduce the growth of mold and mildew, allowing inhabitants to breathe easier. Additionally, this dehumidifier cuts energy costs by up to 25% compared to other models. This makes it an ideal investment for those who want to save on electricity. Another benefit is that this dehumidifier is designed to operate quietly, making it easier to use in quieter settings such as bedrooms or offices. This device is also very lightweight, making it easy to move around as needed. This dehumidifier is also very affordable, making it a great choice for those working on a budget. The device comes with a 5-year warranty, ensuring it will last for years to come. Furthermore, this dehumidifier is suitable for a variety of spaces. Its coverage area ranges from medium-sized bedrooms to large basements. Finally, this dehumidifier is extremely user-friendly. Its operation panel includes easy-to-see buttons and an LCD display with clear instructions. It is also fitted with an adjustable air outlet, allowing air to be directed in any direction. All in all, the most popular dehumidifier on the market is energy efficient, cost-effective, and user-friendly. Its various features make it an excellent investment for anyone looking to reduce their humidity levels. The Energy Star rated dehumidifier is the perfect choice for those looking for an efficient device to reduce moisture levels and manage their budget. The dehumidifier's adjustable humidity level setting and built-in drainage system make it effortless to use and maintain. Additionally, this device can cut energy costs by up to 25%, which can save you money in the long run. This dehumidifier is designed to be quiet so it can be used in quieter rooms such as bedrooms. It is also lightweight, making it very easy to move around when needed. It is very budget-friendly as it comes with a 5-year warranty at an affordable price. Its coverage area ranges from small bedrooms to large basements, making it suitable for any space. The dehumidifier also has an easy-to-use operation panel with clear instructions and adjustable air outlets. All in all, the most popular dehumidifier on the market is Energy Star rated and has many useful features. It is cost-effective and user-friendly, making it an ideal investment for anyone looking to reduce humidity levels. It also has an adjustable humidity level setting and a built-in drainage system for effortless emptying of the collection tank. This dehumidifier is designed to cut your energy costs by up to 25%, which can save you money. It operates quietly, so it is suitable for use in quieter areas such as bedrooms and offices. This dehumidifier is also lightweight, allowing it to be moved around easily as needed. Furthermore, it is very budget-friendly and comes with a 5-year warranty. Its coverage area ranges from medium-sized bedrooms to large basements.